The big hairy problem which we started with was to first understand that there is a lot of energy storage which needs to be built to counter the intermittency of renewables. And with the dropping reliability of the grid, we need to move towards a decentralized energy storage infrastructure. And finally, to make sure that electric vehicles are perceived as far as gasoline vehicles to move towards extreme fast charging. A new paradigm is more than 350 kilowatts. A very, very limited amount of companies do that right now. But 10-minute charging at 350 kilowatts, delivering 400 amps at 850 volts, means that cars get 200 miles of range, just those charging minutes. And that's what we built. A big battery, unlike any which exists in the market, which connects with a low voltage interconnect grid, drawing power like a convenience store, but storing that energy to provide gasoline-like charging. And we've got a patent on integrating everything into a box, into a robust box, which can be dropped without any site preparation. And we didn't stop there. We made sure that these systems could actually provide backup power to the grid so that we can eliminate 40 homes in case of a 6-hour blackout. But we didn't stop there again. We built data tools, a specific siting tool called CoreScore, which uses data sets like where exactly the grid is weak or the probability of an outage because of climate disaster to figure out where to deploy these units. Actually go ahead and deploy that and then run an optimization engine, which can always predict what should be the state of charge maintaining in the batteries to make sure our customers are always getting the charge, but we can make the most money and offset most carbon. We built and deployed this first unit in downtown Los Angeles. We demonstrated our ability to just deploy in 2 days as compared to months taken by our competitors to build a fast charger. And using just a 20 amp connection, we can provide 261 kilowatts charging rates, which we have demonstrated so far, capable of delivering up to 5 charging sessions per day. This is the internal guts of the system. It's made out of most of the compliance systems which exist so that we can accelerate our go-to-market, beating benchmarks of 2 years of product development to just 3 months, which it took us to build this prototype. We think we deserve the prize because we are trying to move to an economy and building a system which can actually help move the needle towards the architecture of the electricity grid itself, from centralized to a distributed one.